So I'm back to the flaring. I'm doing the rear flare now. What you do is you put the yoke on here, and you put your little double flare adapter in. Try to keep it as straight as possible. Make sure you put your fitting on first before you do this, because you can't get it on there with the flare. Tighten this down as much as you possibly can. I got it. Sometimes a little tool comes out, sometimes it doesn't. That's what it looks like. The double flares it. Oh, that came out nice, that one. That came out real good. Here's what it looks like. If you can see it. Okay, that's master cylinder flaring. Now I gotta hook this baby up. I already bled the master cylinder with my bleed kit. So it's been all bled. There's no air in the. You got to get the air out of the master cylinder. There's all kind of channels in here. You know, all kind of tunnels. They got to get the air out. And there's fluid in here now. I just got to place this in here. I had to go get some new nuts and bolts, as the other one's sheared and broke. Of course, you know, it's from 1973. What do you expect? So what I did, instead of using lock washers, I got the plastic threaded types. Well worth it. You don't have to deal with lock washers. They don't rust. Well, I'm not going to bore you with this installation, so I'm going to shut it off for now. I'll come back later. I go to bleed the whole brake line system. Catch you later on the crazy 1973 Jeep Commando build. Peace.